Recording now. Okay, Fritz, how heavy is this?
This is the 126 kilo anvil with the Excalibur hold.
Now, should I do that or that?
That there. So at the front, so you turn it in. Yep. Left.
No way. No, you give it a try. No. Go on, it's your turn, man.
Yes.
You feel your hand tearing. That's the. Look at that beast. I'm going to put this on my YouTube and see if we can get some good comments.
Come on, Newton.
Come on, you've done it before. Oh, come on. Come on.
Set yourself up right in the middle of it. Right in the middle.